Around 15 plus years experience in IT industry. First I was working in SQL Developer, after that moved to the PL SQL Developer, now presently working as a BA Developer as a data analyst. Actually we are Microsoft client. All over world Microsoft employees are there, and Microsoft itself they are maintaining retail store project. Microsoft employee they are purchasing the product, after purchase the product they are getting hardware support, web support, app support, directly contact to the Microsoft call center, and Microsoft call center connect to the Unisys call center. Here around 1500 desktop support teams are there. They lift the phone, they'll creating the ticket, that information everything stored under SQL database. So what is my role? I need to go to office and retrieve the data from the different RDBMS and transfer to the staging database. After the transfer to the cube and generating the report, sending to the client. That is my day-to-day work. According to the training, I am part-time trainer. I'm handling the subject SQL, PL SQL, Python and Tableau. But our session we are going to conduct SQL, PL SQL. First we are going to see the course plan. You don't want to write, I'll share the document everything. SQL Basic, PL SQL and PL SQL program. SQL Basic, Oracle PL SQL program. Yes, we can use, why not? Anil we can use. Second, ETL tool we can use, or SQL PL SQL also we can. So SQL Basic, Oracle PL SQL programming we are going to use. After that we can learn for Python, Tableau. Okay. So in this session I am going to conduct only SQL Basic, Oracle PL SQL programming. After that feature we can plan for Python or Tableau, not now. Only now I am going to discuss SQL, PL SQL, Oracle PL SQL. Got it? Anil?
Yeah.
Okay, got it? Yeah. Now what to do? You don't want to write, I'll share all the document, diagram, everything. SQL, PL SQL course. That SQL, PL SQL course applicable for SQL Developer and PL SQL Developer. See, SQL Developer, PL SQL Developer. All developers record SQL, PL. SQL Developer, PL SQL Developer, BA Developer, Business Analyst, Data Scientist, Oracle DBA, Java Developer, ETL Developer, Python Developer, Testing, Tableau Developer. All developers record SQL, PL SQL course. SQL, PL SQL course.
Right.
SQL Developer, all developers record. SQL Developer, PL SQL Developer, BA Developer, Business Analyst, Data Scientist, all developers record SQL, PL SQL course.
Okay.
But now, once complete that program, you are enter into that project, got it? Once complete that program, enter into the project. So,
Okay.
what SQL Developer do that? What SQL Developer do that? Plan and designing the database for data storage. Plan and designing the table and the relationship. Plan and designing the database for data storage. Plan and designing the table and the relationship. And design verification and initial capacity plan. Plan and designing the database for data storage. Designing the table and relationship. Design verification. How to design the database, how to design the table, how to design verification. We are using normalization form. Implementing normalization with the schema. Here there are three normal forms are there. In the regular session I am going to show. Plan and design the database, design verification, normalization. Once the design part completed, next writing the queries for the business requirement and testing the queries. And the query writing time we are using join concept. Join a multiple table. Joins are used to retrieve data from the multiple table. More than one table. There are types are there, eq join, on eq join, left outer, right outer, full outer, cross join, correct? Join. And subqueries, query inside another one. And a nested subquery. And a data aggregation, nothing but a sum, average, maximum, minimum, count, etc. And the query writing time, we are using view concept, virtual table, mirror of the table. Query writing time, view concept. And the functions, sum, average, maximum, minimum, count. And a date time function. and sting operation. Okay, sting function also we can use. Lot of functions are there. Sting for single row function, sting function, mathematical date time conversion, and data formatting for reporting need, either horizontal format or vertical format, and data transformation. Transfer the data from one database into another data. So designing the database and query writing and data validation part and dynamically data insert. Check data validation and dynamical data and a lot of conditional statement we are going to write. Conditional and transactional DML with the procedure and data audit modification whenever you are insert the record, update the record, trigger capture the info and DML DDL execution with the trigger. Transactional integrity constraint. So design part, query writing part and validation part. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Rogini
Okay.
got it? Understand? And our training highlight program complete real time with the practical example. I'm going to provide theory material, lab practice, and real time case studies I'm going to show. And one real time project I'm going to show you. One banking project. And we are going to do that job support and placement assistance. Anyone wants to complete the program, they are providing fresher job. By end of the course, ready to crack any interview, ready for your job, market your resume from the SQL School, LinkedIn mention from the SQL School.
Okay.
And Oracle course pre-request, anyone we can learn. Anyone who want to learn database storage program should have computer basic knowledge like operation of computer is enough. Rohini got it? Anil? So Oracle is one of the RDBMS tool, Relational Database Management System. Who developed this
Okay.
RDBMS? Oracle Corporation. But in IT market, not only Oracle, many RDBMS available. I prepared popular RDBMS product. What are they? Oracle SQL Server, MySQL DB2, Sybase, Ingress, Teradata, MS Access, Postgre, SAP HANA. Many RDBMS available. But you don't want to learn all RDBMS. So because all the RDBMS using common language, SQL, PL SQL. So I'm going to take SQL 2 weeks, PL SQL 2 week, advanced PL SQL 1 week. Totally 5-week program I'm going to take. Monday to Friday, timing 6:15 to 7:15. Any time suitable for you? Anil? Rogini?
We will talk about the all the objects in database, right?
Correct. Separate
Okay.
object. Listen.
Because
Table,
on,
view, synonym, index, procedure, function, trigger, package.
if we are talking about the SQL PL school, we will go for the
Yes.
performance tuning part as well because this is the main.
Performance tuning, little bit. That is DBA part.
Okay.
I'll show you now. SQL,
Yes.
PL, SQL. All the RDBMS using common language SQL structure. Check the syllabus also in content available. Performance tuning, partition, index only will come.
Okay.
Structured query language. SQL is a common database language. And SQL was developed by IBM. When the SQL was introduced time, IBM team first given product name Square only. What's the full form of Square? Specification of query as a relational expression. After that, in 1973, they are renamed in SQL, Structured English Query Language. After the 1978, they are renamed in SQL, Structured Query Language.
Okay.
1978 on same name. Under SQL, there are 5 sub-languages available. Data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, data query language or data retrieval language, and transaction control language. Under DDL, how many command? Create, alter, truncate, drop, rename. Under DML, insert, update, delete, merge. Under TCL, grant and revoke. Under TCL, commit, rollback, save point. DQL, select command. This is our day-to-day work. But I'm going to cover all sub-language, 5 sub-languages, 15 commands available. I'm going to show. Create, alter, truncate, drop, rename. Under DML, insert, update, delete, merge. Under TCL, grant and revoke. Under TCL, commit, rollback, save point. DQL, select command. Our day-to-day. So what's the purpose of create command? Tell me. Somebody saying creating the table, creating the view, but the correct answer, creating the database objects. What is meant by object? Nothing but a visible component. How many visible components are available? Many more components are available. Many more components are available. Most commonly used the 9 objects. Table, view, synonym, sequence, index, procedure, function, trigger, and package. See, many objects are available. Anil, this only you are expecting? Anil?
Yes, yes.
I prepared 9 chapters, separate chapter wise. I am going to discuss detail, in depth.
There is one more type using in database, that is type. I don't know what it is.
Type, percentage row type, it will come
Yeah.
inside.
Okay, okay.
Procedure inside will come. Percentage type is a column type, dynamic data type. And percentage type is referred to the column. Percentage row type refer to the row, total row it will take. Session number 18 I discuss, I'll explain. PL
Yeah, no problem.
So you are using SQL, right? So through SQL statement, what are the operation going to perform? Querying the data, select the existing data. And we can insert new data, we can update the data through SQL. We can delete the row in a table, unwanted row delete. And we can create that object or replace that object or alter that object, drop that object. Control access to the database object, grant and remove. Guaranteed database consistency and integrity, correct? Guaranteed database consistency and integrity. Querying the data, and we can insert, update, delete row in a table and create a replace, alter, drop object. So what's the table name? I prepared a employee table, correct? Employee table. Here how many columns are there? Employee table. E-name, E-number, salary. Employee table, E-name, E-number, salary. Each column in a table, right, is called as field or attribute. Each column in a table is called as field or attribute. Say each column in a table is called as field or attribute. And every column on column heading is the right, that is field name. Each column in a table is called as field or attribute. Every column heading is the right, that is field name. Same like this, each row in a table is called a record. So each column in a table is called as field or attribute. Column row is a non-technical word. Every column on column heading is the right, that is field name. Same like this, each row in a table, right, it's called a record. And collection of related record is called a table. Each column in a table is called as field or attribute. Every column header is the this is field name. Same like this, each row in a table is called a record. And the collection of related record is called a table. So first technical word, data. Data nothing but a collection of information. Data nothing but a collection of information. Any information. Student information, customer information. Next field, what is meant by field? Each column in a table is called as field. Each column in a table is called as field. Or collection of related data is called as field. First column employee name, right? Second column employee number. Third column salary. So what's a field? Each column in a table is called as field. Or collection of related data is called as field. Collection of related data is called as field. Same like this, what is meant by record? Each row in a table is called a record. You will understand? Each row in a table is called a record. And collection of related, in the record, employee name available, employee number available, salary available. So each row in a table is called a record. Or collection of related fields are called a record. Correct? Collection of related field. The related word very important. Employee name, employee number is a related field. Employee number is there, salary will be there. Correct?
Yeah.
So what's your record? Each row in a table is called a record or collection of related field. What's my field? Collection of related data. Data nothing but information. Same like this, I created around 25 employee. 25 employee working in same organization. Related employee, related record. So collection of related records stored under single container, that is called a table.
Table.
What's a table? Collection of related records are called a table. So what's a record? What's a table? Collection of related records are called a table. Hierarchical order. What is my record? Collection of related field. What is my field? Collection of related data. Data nothing but information. Same like this. Now I created January month payment list. Same like this, February, March, April, May, June, July. Around 12 table I prepared. 12 tables stored under single container. That is called a database. So what's a database? Collection of related tables are called a database. So database, collection of related table is called a database. Any doubt? So what's the database name? Collection of related table is called a database. What's my table? Collection of related record. What's my record? Collection of related field. What's my field? Collection of related data. Data nothing but information. Any doubt? For example, our demo purpose, I prepared one HR database. Check region table, country table, location table, department table, employee table, job history, job grade. Correct? This is everything HR related information. So it's a database collection of related table. It's a table collection of related record. What's my record? Collection of related field. What's my field? Collection of related data. Data nothing but information. Correct? So now database understand? So it's a database collection of related table. Rohini got it? What's my table? Collection of related record. What's my record? Collection of related field. So now once develop the database, I given to the railway. But now railway reservation database. The reservation table, cancellation table, PNR status table, train running status table, train master table, train fare list table, train timing table, everything reservation related. Once develop the database, I given to the railway team. What they are doing? Reservation, cancellation, modification. Means insert the record, update the record, delete the record. How to insert the record, update the record, delete the record using software DBMS. So whenever you insert the record, update the record, delete the record, correct? Insert the record, update the record, delete the record. So DBMS is a software is to insert the record, update the record, delete the record in single table. But I want to insert the record, update the record, delete the record in related table, multiple table, more than one table. That time one more version is released, RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. How to insert the record, update the record, RDBMS using language SQL under 5 sub languages: data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, transaction language, data control language. Any doubt? So you need to prepare thoroughly. Data, field, record, table, database, DBMS, RDBMS, SQL, DDL, DML, DQL, TCL. Correct? DDL, DML, DQL, TCL. Thoroughly. Second. So today I'll forward the document. You can go through it. How many objects, how many sub languages. Correct? So today what to do? I want to discuss Oracle version number. First version, we need to download the software. Did you install software SQL Developer, Anil, your laptop? Anil install? No, right? I'll give the software part. Oracle version number. First version 1978, Oracle release 1. Next version 1979. Second. These versions are outdated. Did you install software? No, right? Some organization using 19C, some organization using 21C, some organization using 23 AI, artificial intelligence. So your laptop, old laptop are 21C, 19C downloaded. Advanced laptop Windows 11 are 23 AI we need to download. So this is a link. Actually this is software link. This is SQL Developer tool. This is Oracle SQL, PL SQL course content. One by one we can check it. I'll explain. First we need to download the software. Download it and extract it and come tomorrow. Check it, click on the link. Here standard edition available, express edition available, anyone. This is free edition. Your laptop, advanced laptop, Windows 11 are supported. Windows 10 means what happened, then we can go for 19C Windows or 21C Windows we need to download. Click on the link, accept license tab. So what happened, we need to create your register mail ID, we need to register. I register my mail ID, but we need to register. This is first link. Second, SQL Developer link. Need to download it, extract it. It will take half an hour time just to download and come. This is SQL Developer link. This one download it. Visual Studio don't want 64-bit JDK download. Can we do the practice? This one. Need to download it. Next, what happened? SQL PL SQL course content available. Totally 18 chapters are there. With the project, I am going to show. Give me your mail ID. I will share the document today. You can go through the document. Tomorrow we need to come every day 6:15. Tomorrow meeting ID different. Talk to our team member.